Look, Daddy. Wheelie bar.
Well, some cars have a bar on the back as a wheelie.
That's right. That's right.
There'll be a line of cars, just follow that line around. You judge. There's the old Charger.
What's the old car?
Well, Uncle David had a new one. Oh, man. Grab the one. Perfect. Good job. Here you go. What do we got? What else we got? That's a good one. That's a very good one. Hey, Ray.
Eleanor.
All right, very good. Very good. Please remember what number. Let's get your lights on. Where's your cup at? Yeah. I took your dad outside. Come on, Buckaroo. Hey, here you go. Hey, keep it going, buddy. Watch it, keep going.
What?
All right, you got to go back.
You did?
Man, we got to turn around and go back.
Okay, high five. I want one. Thank you, sir.
Pull one card. Everybody's racing. Pull one card. Two? Number 3. Who got 3? 2.
There's two. All right,
Who's my 2?
Calvin.
Calvin and Nash.
Get your car, get your helmet on.
Come on, buddy.
Calvin and Nash.
Ready? I'm going to go wait at the finish line. Just come past me, remember? Drive up to Daddy.
Winners going to the final. You ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Watch the light. Good job, buddy. Yeah, pull it over here.
Yellow car.
Yeah, that's far enough. Close enough.
Do you want me to take a picture with you with it here? Yeah.
Great work, buddy.
You made it into the semi-finals.
Yeah, I'm super proud of you.
Right here.
That's two. That's two.
Are you two?
Yeah.
What'd you
Yeah,
get?
hold on to it. 2.
Or again.
Oh, we got a rematch. Nice. Zach and Nash. Left, right leg.
That's our lucky number. Hey, we're gonna race together. That's wonderful.
I'm gonna sit with Grandma and Dad. Let him know when he's coming.
Somebody's got to catch him, you know.
Yeah, you and I will.
Where are you going?
do? You gonna do good? Yeah. You gonna beat him?
How'd that first race go, buddy? Get a couple wins there. Thought when we got that bye we were gonna be headed to the champions ring, didn't we? Yeah, but that's all right. This happens. This happens. That's why we run the race, you know. All right, let's double check our batteries. Good. Good. All right, you're ready.
Batteries are ready.
All right.
All right.
That's how the radio. That's when it goes down.
I know. That's pretty.
Radio.
That's cool, huh?
That's what they call the other.
That's right. That's right.
It has a computer.
Yes, it does. That's right. Yeah, it was at that one. Yeah.
We'll see the draggy.
Go look at the draggy. Watch the light.
Are you ready?
Yep. You ready? Are you ready?
Watch the light. Watch the light. Nice job, buddy.
Good job.
Give him a high five too. Nice race.
Good
Cool
job.
car.
Good job, buddy.
Went all the way straight, all the way through to the end. Nice job.
Nice job.
So good. Ah, you did it. Oh, I'm so proud of you, buddy. Good racing. Good racing. Oh, way to go. Great racing. Oh, I'm proud of you. How was that? That was so fast.
Kansas Speedway, if you are in garage four, this is your last call for judging.
Say that again.
Garage three, you're on
Oh, the tire almost came off?
and then we're gonna make our last
The higher part inside.
Oh. How did your car feel?
Good.
Good. How did it feel to go that fast? Very fast.
Very fast.
You did go very, very fast. Congratulations. You had a great race day.